Welcome back to our channel. Today we will learn about GRUN MIDI plus horizontal immersed gel electrophoresis unit. Here are the components of the GRUN MIDI plus horizontal gel electrophoresis unit. In this unit, you will receive a fully molded apparatus consisting of a 650 ml capacity buffer tank with a lid. Wide range of double-sided combs are available with this unit. Let's examine each one individually. First one is 13 by 6, well comb of 1.5 mm thickness, 1 quantity. Second one is 18 by 8, well comb of 1.5 mm thickness, 1 quantity. Third one is 25 by 11 well comb of 1 mm thickness, 2 quantity. Lastly, this one is of 3 by 2, well comb of 2 mm thickness, 1 quantity. There is one gel casting stand of dimension 138 into 138 into 36 mm. It can accommodate 3 different gel tray sizes. The first gel tray measures 60 into 60 mm, 2 quantity. Second one is of 120 into 60 mm, 1 quantity. The combs feature dividers for easy insertion and reduced displacement. Place the combs inside as demonstrated in the video to create wells. The third gel casting tray is of 120 into 120 mm, 1 quantity. Place it inside the stand and pour the gel solution. Take a comb of desired thickness and place it inside to create wells. After the gel is set, remove the combs and place the gel tray inside the tank. Close the lid and connect the electrodes to a power supply. Your setup is ready to use.